Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Don't you love the boho colorful style of this gorgeous rug? This is a beautiful hand-woven rug from Gruhum. I absolutely love the design of it and the pop of color that it adds instantly into any room in my home. This is a beautiful, gorgeous, hand-woven boho farmhouse style carpet. This is the 4x6 size, so this rug is a perfect size to go into an open space in your home or under a table or in a nice little office space would be gorgeous as well. I really love the pop of color that it adds in to any of the cloudiest days. You can see up close the detailing of this rug is absolutely gorgeous. You can see the love and the handiwork that was put into it. But what I also really love about it is it has that jute detailing, but this rug is really soft and really nice to step on. Some hand-woven jute rugs, they're kind of hard, really don't feel that comfortable even though they look cute. But this one, you get everything all wrapped into one. Whatever area of your home that you decide to add this beautiful rug, it will add so much to your area, to your styling, and to your overall comfort of the feeling in your home. I really love the pop of color that this rug adds in. It is just so beautiful and bright and cheerful, and it will really add a lot to your beautiful decor. And that's my point of view.